Morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
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 So, children, sorry for delay that I have given you link very late because I have to start the question paper of class 11 and from today onwards they have got their periodic test which was just started and because of that I was so busy. Now, without wasting the time anymore, I would like to have the explanation of the yesterday's part. Who is very much confident to explain the yesterday's scene which we have started from the chapter Advanced Tries and O level? Yes, Anurag. Anurag.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but start.
Ma'am, ma'am, from yesterday's explanation was it was the time of early March when the governor of the HM Prison from Oxford called the secretary of the examination board. He said that it is the unusual request that that he requested to conduct the examination in the prison. Present, and after that from the September they started night classes. Then security officer asked that there is any special quality in that Evans. Then governor said will be only one to take the tuition all time because outside he would have to pay cost for it. He would have to pay cost for it. Then
Stop,
next secretary
stop,
asks his full
stop,
name.
stop. Yes,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
student. Stop here only. Next student. Yes, it's Akida.
Actually, when the conversation between the governor of the prison and the secretary of the examination board was going on, so the governor requested the secretary that can you help the examination of O level for one of the jailer here whose name is James, as he was very much interested to have the studies. So the secretary said that it would not be of very much burden for me and I will conduct the exam. But I would like to have the information about that jailer if he is having the violent kind of attitude or the behavior or his calm. So the governor replies that no, he don't have any much or any any criminal record which is very much violent. Instead, he is having the calm nature and he will not burden you more. But the thing that he has done that for thrice he has been escaped from the jail, or he has done the practices to get away from the jail or to escape from there. Then
Okay,
the
Akida, stop here.
secretary.
Akida, stop here. Now, Glory, you have to start from where this Akida has stopped.
Ma'am, the officers had made arrangements that Evans should not escape because the older officer, which was already in service for the years, he was afraid of that this Evans must not
Okay, Anuj.
escape this
Okay,
time.
Glory, stop.
So he had
Glory,
made
stop. Anuj,
arrangements. So
Glory, stop. Anuj, Glory, please mute yourself.
He
Glory,
told
mute
his
yourself. Glory, mute. Voice is not clear. Mute yourself. Yes, Anuj, are you there? Anuj, am I audible to you all? Who is doing this stupidity in the group? Whoever you are, please just stop presenting. I'm going to remove you if you are not going to listen me. Anuj, beta, come forward.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Explain, beta. Where Akida has to
Ma'am,
stop, just start from there.
Ma'am, through the conversation between both the officers and the governor, we come to know that James was not a criminal at all. He was just a congenital kleptomaniac, which meant that he was habitual of stealing things, stealing little things. He was in habit of it by birth. He was habitual to it, and then governor and the officers finally. Got the conversation over, and then they decided that Evans will surely give the O level exam, and then the officer seems to be reminding Evans that the exam will go on from 8:30 p.m. on 7 June, and then a conversation between the senior prisoner, his junior, and Evans goes on, where the officer says good luck to Evans, where he replies the officer in his German language. And then a scene comes where in the morning the senior officer tells Ivan to shave his beard, which had not been shaved for long. And then he tells his junior, that is Steven, to take the uh, razor back from Evans after he is done up with shaving, so that he could not even think of creating any more troubles for them, as he was very much experienced in escaping from the jail by making different kind of
Excuses.
reasons. This much only.
Okay, very well explained by you all. Now I am moving further with the next paragraph. Come to the page number 73, everyone. Paragraph second. For a few seconds, Evans looked thoughtfully at the man standing ramrod straight in front of him. That is, when they have finished their talk, that is, Jackson has given the order to his junior that he should take the razor after having the scrapping, after having the shave. So now the reaction of the Evans has come out that he was standing in some thought, he was thinking, and he was standing in a ramrod state, that is completely, absolutely in a straight position in front of him. So him who is here, that is Jackson. A string of Second World War medals. A string means a line of a medals which Jackson has won in the World War II, and he has displayed it. He has put it at the left side pocket of his shirt. Mr. Jackson. So he asked from Mr. Jackson, he was these medals you have won from the World War medals for paraded over. Paraded means better, that is displayed or shown. His left breast pocket. Mr. Jackson, was it you who took my nail scissors away? So here Evans has asked, after just putting off his thought, he asked from Jackson, you are the man who has taken my nail cutter scissor. So Evans had always worried about his hands. So why Evans has said so? Because he always have to have look towards his hands, because you all know all the plan, all the things he usually perform with the action of his hands only. So that is why he always look worried about his hands. So he has asked from Jackson, you are the one who has taken my nail scissor. So Jackson replied, and your nail file too. So Jackson said, yes, I have taken, and even nail file also I have taken. Nail file, that is in which he used to keep the scissor and many of the other things like that. So Jackson replied, yes, I have taken. Look, for a moment, Ivan's eyes smoldered dangerously, but Jackson was ready for him. So when Jackson has replied, he has seen that Ivan's eyes becoming red. He was showing the glow, the anger glowing on his eyes. So it said, look, for a moment, Ivan's eyes smoldered. Smoldered means that is anger look is glowing in his eyes, and the look was very much danger. But Jackson was ready for him. That is, even Jackson also going to face or going to see, going ready to face the anger of Evans when he said that he has taken his scissor. Orders of the governor Evans, Jackson replied, I have taken the scissor and your files of the nail because it is the order from the governor. I have not done anything for myself. Order of the governor Evans. He leaned forward and leered. So, children, Jackson has just bent out his body towards the face of Evans and he leered, that is unpleasantly